Welcome to another training video from XMPRO. Today we will be looking at how to set up and use the gauge in the live view. As a prerequisite, you should go through the video on how to set up and use the live view first before watching this video. I have here set up a use case with an event simulator that's creating one event every second with a value between 0 and 100. To change the live data view to a gauge, you must click on the Edit button, change the type to a gauge, and then down the bottom choose your value, which is value, and a sub-value, which I will choose the same. This is the sub-value is not required, but the value is. And we'll set this value indicator to a triangle needle and the sub-value indicator to a triangle marker. Then we can save. And as you can see, every time it gets new data, the gauge reflects this new value. Because I have set the values to generate a random number from 0 to 100, the automatic start and end values fit, but if you have a different range, then you can set these values to something else. This won't go on the left side because the values generated won't reflect that. You can choose a label format from currency, fixed point, percent, etc. What this does is change how the label looks. So if I say currency and then save, now it's $0 to $100. Or if I say exponential, then it's the mathematical exponential number. I'll keep this as currency for now. You can add value ranges, so 0 to 20, and then 20 to 80, and then 80 to 100. And this colors the gauge different colors on each section. You can choose the tick intervals. So the major tick interval is where the labels are, so I can set that to 10, and then the minor tick interval I can set to 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. And then we have the types of indicators. So a triangle needle looks like this, and the triangle marker is a little triangle on the bar itself. You can also do a text cloud, which displays the number, displays the value, so 29, 22, etc. And that has replaced the sub-value indicator, so we don't get the triangle anymore. There's also a rectangular needle, which is similar to the triangle needle, but it's rectangular. And there's a range bar, which goes around the inside. If you choose different values for your data, then it won't always be the same here. It may have, let's say, $20 on the main value indicator, and the sub-value indicator could be somewhere else. As I don't have more than one value, I can't show this. This has been how to set up and use the gauge in the live view.